Selamünaleyküm everyone, welcome to OZR Projects YouTube real estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I am in Kocaeli and I would like to introduce brand new luxury detached style, such a boutique villa for you today. What we have as a general specification for this property, we have 415 square meters plot. On this 415 square meters plot, we have 300 square meters, which is including duplex architecture design. And we have 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms, 1 living room and 5 WCs. As additional, we have private swimming pool on the garden too. Approximately the size of the swimming pool is around 21 square meters. You can summarize that issue 3 by 7. And also I have to mention that there are 2 villas are available. Total size of that plot is 830 square meters, and this 830 square meter size is sharing by 2 villas. So that if you are looking for somebody with your friends and or with your family members, we have suitable 2 villas, and both of them are on the market with very affordable price too. So it's time to discover the interior situation of these beautiful properties together. And before getting inside the property, I realized that there are some details are available on the garden too. What we have chimney on the garden, and there is automatic irrigation system is also available. So it's time to discover the inside of this beautiful property together. And also you can directly park your vehicles directly in front of your property. We have parking lots suitable for 2 vehicles too. So it's time to discover the interior situation of this beautiful property. When we got inside the property, directly living room section of the property is welcoming us, and there are nice lighting details are available. For instance, on the gallery section we have huge chandelier, and also classical lighting system is also supported by the spot LED lighting systems too. And when we reach this section, nice and spacious living room section is welcoming us. And when I check the heating system of the property, we have natural gas heating system which is working under the floor. As additional, we have also so artistic and beautiful chimney section over here too. I'm so picky when I'm making marketing for the related properties. This property is on the market with very affordable price. Of course, these are not cheap properties. Also, I have to mention that this property is suitable for getting the citizenship too. When I keep continuing my tour, under the upstairs sections was evaluated as a storage area too. You can see the pipe for the natural gas over here, or the combi boiler device is gonna put it over here, and rest section can use as a storage area under the upstairs too. And when we reach this section, there is 1 guest room. All children room is welcoming us. I have to mention that each room contains its own private bathroom inside it. And also when I look the highness for the ceiling, we have more than 3 meters highness for ceiling too. When I keep continuing my tour, I want to show the kitchen, but before the kitchen, I want to show the WC section. What I told you, we have 4 rooms, 4 bathrooms and 5 WC. This is the 5th WC over here. It is not full bathroom. And when I reach this section, really nice and chic kitchen section of the villa is welcoming us. And when I look the quality of the material, I can say that these materials are of course the first quality. You can use this section as a storage because there are cabinets are available, and from this angle you can use this area as a table too. And also there is easy access is available from kitchen to veranda section. When we reach the upper floor, what we have 1, 2, 3 more rooms and 1 common bathroom. Right side of the first floor separated as the master room. Left side is separated for the children's section too. So let's check it out what we have over here. When we reach this section, there is another room for kids section is welcoming us. Differences of this room, we have small balcony and it's looking for the open wisdom, and we have semi-sea view is available from this angle, and also we have full bathroom again inside this room too. I'm reminding you again, each room has its own full bathroom inside this villa. When we keep continuing our tour, I will come over here as a last part because it is master room. Right over here we have some storage area over here too. You can see the cabinets. Let me turn on the lights. And also when we reach this section, we have another room for kids section, and from this angle we have such a clear sea view too. Last part and best part, it is time to see the master room section. And when we reach this section, very spacious master room section of the villa is welcoming us. I want to get your attention over here. You know, I showed the chimney in the living room. There is a channel. This chimney is getting tied with this. When you burn the fire, it gives you the hot air inside the master room too. And master room has its own balcony. Let me show you the balcony section too. It's looking for the open wisdom too. The front side is separated as a road, and next to it there are homes are available. I can say that the scenery cannot be blocked by any construction project. And also you can consider this property such a 5-room because we have huge dressing room inside the property. You can consider that section as a 5th room. We introduced as a 4-room plus 1 living room. Next to dressing room, we have full attached bathroom section over here. Wow! I look at the combination of these colors and look at the quality of the materials. It was the interior situation of this beautiful villa. I hope that you enjoy what you saw on this video. For more information and catching this opportunity in our beautiful city of Kocaeli, you can direct contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090532207864. If you like our videos, please don't forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button too. Thanks for watching and fi aman Allah.